Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture background to chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet with a chart. Now I insert picture background to this chart. At first, you have to select this chart. Now click this chart area. Now right click this chart area. Then go to format chart area. Now you can see here are fill and line. Click this fill and go to picture, texture and background. Now you can see here are picture source. Insert your picture. Now go to your picture file location and click insert. Now close this window. Now you can see I insert picture background to chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.